Hello all, I'm Pratap, founder of Rehan Studio Academy. I'm expertise in different programming languages like Java, C Sharp, Python, JavaScript, and Golang programming languages. So I'm here to discuss today about web automation with Python, Selenium, and I'm here to make you to be understand the concepts of Python and the concepts of Selenium and how to prepare a high-end modular framework using PyTest and how we can able to do the end-to-end testing of a web application. So in this playlist, we are going to be discuss all from basic level to the advanced level concepts of your both Python as well as Selenium. And this framework or these concepts can be able to leverage directly into your project that wherever it is required. So let's started with that. So most of the people started asking me like, Pratap, like what is the main reason that you have been choosing like Python with the Selenium? So what is the combination? Why it is demanding in the market? Is that correctly true? So right, without taking the any website knowledge or any information, I gathered few analysis. Right, I did some few analysis in the market. So I went on to my Google Trends and I found that there is a huge demand that has been raised in the last few months. So there is very good demand that is available using Python as a programming language and Selenium as an automation tool and web applications especially. So if you take UK market, US market, Canada, right, there is a huge demand that is available with Python and Selenium. So when it comes to Indian market, I went on to my Naukri and I found there is a huge demand that is also available in India using your Python and Selenium. With that interest, right, I came here to prepare a small playlist, right, which is going to help you to go and automate your web-based applications using Python as one of the programming language. And apart from this, there are few advantages and needs that are available on Python with the Selenium. So what is the reason? So first thing is open source and it's portable. So Selenium, right, is as we all know that it's an open source tool and right, and it is going to be portable to do your automation on top of your web applications. And we also know that Selenium is one of the web automation tool which can be able to run its commands on the browser by taking any one of the programming languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, etc. So now as part of that, right, Python is going to be very good friend with your Selenium to automate your web applications. So as how you automate using C Sharp or Java, right? So Python is equivalent to that other programming languages and we can able to perform very good automation using Selenium on any web application. And combination of tool and DSL. So Selenium, right, is going to be combination of tools and DSL, domain specific knowledge language, in order to carry out various types of tests. So that test might be like regression, smoke, sanity, end-to-end test cases, right? Whatever the test cases you want to be automate on a web application, well, you can able to use your Python and Selenium as a automation tool. Apart from your web automation, right, we can also able to perform or stimulate your API testing. We can also able to perform your mobile automation also using your Python as a programming language. And the syntaxes are going to be very much easy when compared to other programming languages. Python syntaxes are very easy to understand. For a layman, as a beginner, as a rookie in any automation tool or any coding process, right, Python is going to be one of the easiest step to understand and to remind the concept very easily. So, and also, right, the concept in the Selenium is going to be very easy. So when we have both the things are very much easy, right, we can able to do the operations better when compared to the other programming language. And for me as a QA, right, I don't need to invest lot amount of time in writing the scripting or in development process or in my execution process. How? Suppose take an example, I want to fetch a data from my Excel workbook and I want to populate this data into my web application. Using my Java programming language, right, it is going to take a lot amount of time and I need to write multiple lines of code. So when it comes to your Python, right, we can able to complete in 3 to 4 lines of code where I'm going to cover as part of my next videos. And using your Selenium, we all know that, right, when you perform automation on any application, right, we are going to replace the human efforts. So in order to replace your human efforts, right, how we are going to do? We are going to replace the human efforts by a software. So by writing a small piece of code, we are going to invest some amount of time and we are going to write a small piece of code. This piece of code is going to replace your human efforts ultimately we are going to reduce the cost to the client and we are going to give more accurate and we can able to earn good ROI in your business process. So having all these advantages, right? Python and Selenium as a good way to go. So now let's see how to kickstart with your Python programming with Selenium to automate a web application.